The demand for engineers is growing at such a rapid pace that it's just not able to meet that increase in demand that we're seeing. The larger technology companies are able to hire the bulk of the talent, which means that the newer, more early stage type companies are struggling to get the engineers that they need to develop their products on time. I'm Daniel Dargum, the president and CEO of Lohika. Lohika was built for purpose. So we identified a need in the market that was quite different than what the other companies are solving for. We provide core engineering services for VC-backed and growth companies. We extend our customers' software development teams to help them accelerate time to market.
What we liked about Lohika is that the engineers are very good, they are very well managed, they are great partners with us, and they have a passion for what we do as well. You feel that they really care, they go the extra mile. So this combination of engineering expertise, management, and passion, it's fantastic.
What we're finding today is that our clients are facing engineering scalability issues, mainly because of the lack of available talent in the geographies that they're based.
The biggest challenge is super clear. It's talent. It's about how to make sure that you are attracting, retaining, and have growth paths for your talent. And the way that Lohika operates has really helped us manage a period of very exciting scale at Virtru.
The need that our customers have, it's really to accelerate time to market.
One of the things that was a real challenge for us in this growth is that we needed to build out our team of engineers to be able to address all of these scaling needs at an incredibly high rate without lowering the quality bar of who we were bringing in. And we found that with Lohika, we were getting both an incredibly fast time to get engineers on the job, and they were consistently high-quality engineers.
Lohika was built for purpose. It's really to accelerate time to market for VC-backed and growth companies. And then we thought about a different problem, which is how do you build high-performance teams that can match or exceed the performance of these clients and have them work remotely, reliably, in an engagement model and with a business model that makes sense to these clients, that can understand their culture. And so all that led to the Lohika model that we have today that has solved that scalability problem.
If Lohika closed up shop tomorrow, my overall velocity would take a significant hit, and we would have to pull key resources back into that area to look after it while we recovered.
Most of our competitors do not take on core development because if they did, these companies would actually not be able to deliver on it. Doing core development work requires a higher level of engineering talent. It requires technology skills in areas of new technologies, but also it requires a different engagement model. What's required to do core development is a tight integration with your client teams. Essentially because development is moving so rapidly today, it really needs to be in an agile mode.
We invited the engineers over to San Francisco. They got to know us, we got to know them. We formed joint teams. So instead of having an isolated Lohika team working off to the side, we brought them into the main engineering circle, and that was the start of a great relationship. It's been on and up ever since.
We did start in Silicon Valley, which is where we still have most of our clients. However, now we have clients in any technology hub in the world. We go after really demanding technology companies, probably the most demanding technology companies in the world.
In terms of technical capabilities, I would put Lohika up there with any onshore teams that I've worked with. They have really architectural level talent. They have people that have good backgrounds and ask good questions. They're wanting to be invested in what it is we're doing and why we're doing it. They love hearing about what our business is trying to do so that they can, kind of bring that into what they're doing.
What excites me coming to work every day after almost 18 years in the job is that I always wake up to some new concept, some new idea, some new product, some new technology that we are a part of. I have clients calling me saying, I have this startup idea, please prepare a team for me. And it's still just a concept.
We did a lot of diligence and work before engaging with anybody and had some very favorable recommendations to Lohika from other companies that were in the same portfolio group as us by Andreessen Horowitz, and engaged with Lohika, spun up a trial team. It worked extremely well, and we've continued to grow ever since. The team extension model that Lohika has allows and enables those individuals to work alongside your own existing team as if they were physically present. That's something that allows us to scale them up, to work very effectively side by side, to take advantage of agile software development that we use every single day. The surprise of working with Lohika has really been the lack of surprises. When we engaged, we got exactly what we expected out of that working arrangement, and it's been incredibly efficient and effective for us and the engineering leadership in my organization.
I find that amazing to always be at the forefront of that, to be part of the teams that are building this for the first time. And so you could one day look at a product, come out into the market and say, oh wow, this is what our team built. This is what the Lohika team built.